Welcome back to the class. Look at this picture carefully. Now let us play a game. Find out dog, shoes, books, chair. Can you able to find dog? Where it is? Yes, the dog is sitting in the box. Where are the shoes? Yes, it is under the table. Do you see the books? Yes, there it is. The books are on the table. Do you see the chair? Where it is? Yes, the chair is near the table. In, under, on, near tells us the location where something is. These words are called preposition. 3rd Standard English Samchay Kalvi Term 1 Book page number 99. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, JMJ English Medium High School. Preposition. What is preposition? Prepositions are words that tells you where something is located or position compared to something else. Today we are going to learn simple preposition words in, on, under, near. In. Use in when one is inside the other. For example, where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is in the shoe. On. Generally, we use on when it is a normal place to put something. For example, where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is on the shoe. Under. Use under when one object is covered by another. For example, see where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is under the shoe. Near. Use near when the distance between the two objects is small. For example, see where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is near the shoe. The words in, on, under and near help us know where the caterpillar is. It's time for us to learn book back exercise. Tick the correct word. First, look at the picture and read the sentence. Remember, we are going to use only 4 prepositions: in, on, under, near. Among one will be your answer. In, it should be inside. On a surface of something. Under, it should be below. Near, it should be close by. Look at the picture and see the sentence. First one, the cockroaches dashed the shoes. They given 3 options to you. Let's see which one is correct preposition. See the first one, in. It is correct preposition? No. Why it is not correct preposition? Because the cockroach is not inside the shoes. So it is not a correct preposition. See the second one, near. It is correct preposition? Yes, because the cockroach is close by the shoes. So the correct answer is the cockroach is near the shoes. Second sentence. The ladybug is dash the box. See the picture and given options. First one, in. It is correct preposition? Yes, because the ladybug is inside the box. So the correct answer is the ladybug is in the box. Third sentence. The ant is dash the chair. See the picture and given options. First one, in. It is correct preposition? No, because the ant is not inside the chair. Second one, on. It is correct preposition? No, because the ant is not on a surface of chair. Third one, under. It is correct preposition? Yes, because the ant is below the chair. So the correct answer is the ant is under the chair. Fourth sentence. The butterfly is dash the ball. Look at the picture and given options. First one, in. It is correct preposition? No, because the butterfly is not inside the ball. Second one, horn. It is correct preposition? Yes, because the butterfly is on a surface of ball. So, the correct answer is the butterfly is on the ball. Exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. The options given are in, under, near, on. First sentence. The fish is dash the bowl. Look at the picture. Where is the fish? The fish was inside the bowl. So, which one is correct answer? In. The fish is in the bowl. Second sentence. The ladybug is dash the leaf. Look at the picture. Where is the ladybug? The ladybug is on a surface of leaf. So, which one is correct answer? On. The ladybug is on the leaf. Exercise number 3. Read the following sentence and draw the inserts. Look at the first sentence. A dragonfly is on the car. The car picture is already given. Which insert we want to draw? We want to draw the insert dragonfly. Next, identify the preposition in the given sentence. On is the given preposition. So, we have to draw the dragonfly on the car. Look at the second sentence. A bug is on the sofa. Which insert we want to draw? We want to draw bug. Next, identify the preposition in the given sentence. On is the preposition. So, we have to draw the bug on the sofa. Look at the third sentence. A spider is under the chair. We want to draw the insert spider. Next, identify the preposition. Under is the given preposition. So, we have to draw spider under the chair. Look at the fourth sentence. A bee is in the bottle. Which preposition is given in this sentence? Yes, in. In means inside. So, we have to draw the bee in the bottle. Exercise number 4. Circle the correct picture for the given word. First preposition, on. Which is the correct one? Yes. Second is the correct one. Circle it. Second preposition, in. Which is the correct one? Yes. First is the correct one. Circle it. Third, near. Which is the correct one? Yes. Second, circle it. Today, in this class, we learned a grammar preposition. Let me meet you with another interesting topic in next class. Thank you.